The Centre for Safety at the University of Western Australia brings together world-leading researchers in areas such as science, engineering, psychology, health and business to work with partners across a range of safety-critical industries. The goal of the Centre is to improve safety through innovative research and practical change. As work becomes more complex, safety, more than ever, is integral to good business. The Centre is dedicated to creating new insights that improve the safety of people and processes in high-risk industries. We know that companies that perform well and sustainably tend to also be safer. They have less accident rates, they have more safe working environments. But why is that? We're still only beginning to understand how safety, when it's an integral part of an organisation's business, actually helps drive the nature of that business. Most of the changes that we see in the workplace revolve around changes happening in technology, computing and engineering systems. And we need to keep up with how both people and technology are changing and interacting with each other. Through our collaborations and expertise, we aim to be at the forefront of changes in safety and safe operations. We have a very full picture of the entire value chain of production and how safety is part of each element of that value chain, from exploration to exporting, and also an overall picture of where people are involved in the decision processes across the full value chain. The Centre for Safety at UWA aims to support practices and innovation across the whole organisation, from toolbox talks at the local work site to strategic planning of risk management across the whole organisation. We see an integration of these activities and understanding those activities with data, research, collaboration as the fundamental goal of the Centre for Safety.
FIFO work practices present unique challenges to both the employer and worker in terms of minimising detrimental health impacts and optimising safety. Effectively managing sleep and sleep-related health are critical, as poor sleep is linked with many negative health outcomes, increased accident risk and productivity losses.
Much of the data we need to answer really important questions already exists within organisations.
Researchers from the School of Sports Science, Exercise and Health address problems under the broad banner of physical ergonomics. We have facilities and equipment to study a diverse range of issues, from manual handling injury risks through to the effects of the environment on health and human performance. For example, in our climate chamber, we are able to address serious health and performance issues caused by undertaking physical work. With this equipment, we can study and recommend optimum risk control strategies. The Centre for Safety provides an important portal for industry to engage with researchers at UWA in order to address critical safety issues and look for solutions from a holistic perspective.
We have an interesting current project looking at the influence of maintenance practices on safety and equipment reliability. This is a multidisciplinary project involving organisational psychologists, engineers and statisticians, and this multidisciplinary approach is really what the Centre for Safety is all about.
We're proud to be engaged with a range of organisations and countries and governments from around the world who come to Western Australia to get better insights and support for the changes they're making in their own environments. We believe West Australia is very well placed to be a world leader in safety and safety innovation for safety-critical industries. We're excited to be creating this new safety resource at the University of Western Australia. We invite you to contribute to the range of education programs, research projects and learning forums that are being developed now at the Centre.